The average employee spends 57% of their day using office software like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Because of this, finding ways to make these tasks easier and faster is a smart move for any business. Mario Arjona, Chief of Staff from Outsourced Solutions Group, highlights an important point. People spend so much time looking for ways to automate sophisticated IT tasks, such as cybersecurity scanning and cloud optimization. That makes it easy to overlook the mundane ways we use technology every day. Microsoft 365 Copilot is here to make a big difference. It uses artificial intelligence to help you with your tasks, making your work faster and improving the quality of your output. Here's a quick look at how Microsoft 365 Copilot works. It starts with understanding your request through natural language processing, allowing it to handle both simple and complex tasks. Then, by accessing relevant data within Microsoft 365 apps and applying machine learning algorithms, Copilot executes your request and delivers the results directly within your application. The advantages of using Copilot in your Microsoft account include 1. Saving time on routine tasks like data entry and email writing. 2. Getting quick insights and information, which helps you make better decisions. 3. Receiving personalized help that gets better as Copilot learns more about how you work. 4. Boosting your creativity with suggestions for content and design. And 5. It makes it easier to work with others by simplifying document sharing and keeping everyone informed. To get the most out of Microsoft 365 Copilot and to explore more ways to use Microsoft 365, talking to IT experts like those at Outsourced Solutions Group can be very helpful. Our consultants know a lot about technology and can show you how to use these tools to their full potential.